All right, let's talk about pinning UVs. So I'm just gonna spin this so we've got a curve here, just for demonstration purposes. And I'll straighten this out a little bit longer. We got a candy cane. So let's just say hypothetically, we want to unwrap all of this. Mark those seams. Mark those seams and let's unwrap it. All right, so we've got these curves here. Well, I don't want those curves. So let me show you how to straighten them in Vanilla Blender. It's a little annoying, so I usually use Text Tools or Zen UV, but do this. So I'm going to scale this. I'm going to make sure, yeah, okay. Hmm. Let's go to edge mode. Scale Y 0. Scale Y 0. Literally typing in 0. Scale X 0. Scale X 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of that and then make sure that this is the active selection. So it needs to be a little lighter. Follow active quads. And for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to do this one. So for these, what I want, when I unwrap it next, like if I need to do another unwrapping operation, I don't want these to get bent again. So I'm just going to hit P. Now you can see they're red. And if we do an unwrap, then those stay. Okay, let's talk about the other way to straighten your UVs. This is with Text Tools. It's real easy. So make sure linked isn't on, and what you're going to do is see this says rectify. Do that. And you're done. Real easy.